Hey there, extraordinary moms. Welcome to Momlife Empowered, your sanctuary from the pandemonium of parenthood. If this is your first time with us, smash that subscribe button like it's the snooze button on a Monday morning. Today, we're diving deep into a treasure chest of mom hacks so brilliant, you'll be the envy of the playground. So arm yourself with your favorite emergency snack, and let's jump in. Every mom knows the drill. Wake up, prepare breakfast, get the kids ready, and the day is already in full swing. But what if we could make it a bit smoother? The sun has barely peeked over the horizon, and yet the house is already buzzing with energy. A mom's day is a symphony of breakfast requests, school preparations, and a million little tasks that demand her attention. As she navigates through the labyrinth of her daily routine, she's like a maestro, conducting an orchestra of chaos into a harmonious rhythm. With the demand to multitask, the dream of every mom is to find a smoother, more efficient way to run the show. The quest for that perfect balance between getting things done and still having enough energy to enjoy the precious moments with family. So, what if there was a way to streamline the daily hustle, to transform the daily chaos into a more manageable melody? Stay tuned as we explore 10 Supermom hacks that can help streamline your day and enhance your family life. One of the biggest challenges moms face is meal prep. But what if we could make it easier? Imagine a world where you're not scrambling to put together a meal at the end of a long day. That's the magic of meal prepping. It's all about preparing and portioning out meals ahead of time. First, pick a day of the week that works best for you. Sunday, Wednesday, it's your call. Next, plan your meals. Variety is the spice of life, so mix it up. Plan a few different dishes that freeze well. Now let's get cooking. Make your meals in bulk. Think big pots of soup, trays of lasagna, or hearty stews. Once they're cooked, let them cool. Then portion them out into individual containers. Pop these into the freezer and you've got yourself a stash of home-cooked meals ready at a moment's notice. And voila, you've got meals ready to go for the week. Ever feel like you're drowning in toys, clothes, and clutter? Let's tackle that together. Organization is not just about having a tidy home, it's about creating an environment where you can thrive. It's about knowing where everything is, so you don't spend precious minutes or even hours searching for that one missing sock or the favorite teddy bear. Begin with toys. Baskets, bins, and shelves can be your best friends. Group similar toys together so they're easy to find and put away. Clothes, on the other hand, can be organized by type or by person. A clear system makes laundry day less of a chore. And when it comes to general clutter, remember the golden rule: a place for everything, and everything in its place. Sorting, labeling, and arranging might take a bit of time initially, but it's an investment that pays off. With everything in its place, you'll save time and feel less stressed. Rise and shine. Let's talk about how waking up just a bit earlier can make a world of difference. Imagine this: a quiet house, a hot cup of coffee, and a moment to gather your thoughts before the day's chaos ensues. Sounds like a dream, right? But it can be your reality. Getting up before the rest of the household offers you a unique opportunity to seize the day before it seizes you. Use this time to plan your day, do a quick workout, or simply enjoy a moment of tranquility. You'll be amazed at how this small adjustment can supercharge your productivity and peace of mind. Of course, we're not suggesting you sacrifice sleep, but try setting your alarm just 15 minutes earlier. Gradually, you can adjust to waking up half an hour or even an hour earlier. Remember, it's all about quality, not quantity. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. Routines can be a game changer. Let's see how. Imagine a day where everything falls into place, where predictability is your ally and you're in control. That's the power of routine. Establishing a routine creates a sense of security and structure for you and your kids. It's like a comforting rhythm, guiding your family through the day. So how do you create a routine that works? Start simple. Identify your daily tasks and assign them specific times. Breakfast at 7, homework at 4, bedtime at 8. Be consistent. The magic of routine lies in repetition. Remember, routines should serve you, not box you in. It's okay to adjust as needed, to flex when life throws a curveball. Keep it practical, keep it flexible, and most importantly, keep it consistent. Routines can transform chaos into order, stress into serenity. With a routine in place, you'll know what to expect, and so will your kids. Grocery shopping can be a chore, but it doesn't have to be. If you've ever found yourself wandering aimlessly in the supermarket aisles, let's change that narrative with these 3 simple tips. Firstly, always go in with a list. Not only does this prevent you from forgetting those important items, but it also saves you from the siren call of impulse buys. Secondly, consider shopping at off-peak hours. Early mornings or late evenings are often less crowded, meaning you can zip through the aisles with ease. And finally, consider using a grocery delivery service. Many supermarkets now offer this service, which can be a huge time saver. Simply add your items to an online cart, select a delivery time that suits you, and voila, groceries delivered to your door. No more trolley battles or long checkout queues. With these tips, you'll spend less time in the store and more time doing things you love. Cleaning doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's simplify it. One of the best ways to lighten your cleaning load is to use multi-purpose cleaners. These versatile products can handle multiple tasks, reducing the amount of products you need to buy and store. Next, don't hesitate to involve the kids. Even the little ones can help pick up toys or wipe down surfaces. Make it a game, and you'll be teaching them responsibility while easing your own burden. Perhaps most importantly, break your cleaning tasks into manageable chunks. Instead of trying to clean the whole house in one day, tackle one room or one type of task at a time. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and you'll see progress more quickly. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, but it doesn't have to be perfect. After all, it's not the spotlessness of the house that makes it a home. It's the love and laughter within its walls. Homework can be a struggle, but there's a way to make it easier. One of the first things you can do is to create a designated homework station. This could be a quiet corner of the house with all the essentials like pens, paper, and calculators. Having a specific spot trains the brain to switch into study mode when your child sits down. Next, try setting a timer. This instills a sense of urgency and keeps them focused. You can start with short increments like 15 minutes and gradually increase it as they get used to the system. Remember, it's not about rushing, but encouraging productivity. Lastly, make homework fun. Incorporate games, rewards, or challenges to keep things interesting. You could create a reward chart or turn a math problem into a puzzle game. This can make the process more engaging and less stressful for both of you. With these hacks, homework becomes less of a chore and more of a learning adventure. Quality time with your kids is precious. Let's make every moment count. It's about being present and sharing experiences that create lasting memories. So what does quality time look like? It's not about grand gestures or expensive trips. It's often found in the simplest of moments. Playing games together can be a fantastic way to connect. Whether it's a classic board game or an imaginative role play, games stimulate conversation and laughter, creating a fun and relaxed atmosphere. Reading together is another wonderful way to spend quality time. It not only fosters a love for books, but it also opens up topics for discussion, helping you and your child explore new worlds and ideas together. And never underestimate the power of a simple chat. Whether you're cooking dinner together or walking to the park, these moments of everyday conversation are invaluable. Remember, it's not about the quantity of time, but the quality of the moments you share. Being a supermom isn't about doing it all. It's about doing what matters most efficiently. And with that in mind, let's recap the supermom hacks we've delved into today. First off, we explored the wonders of meal prep magic, followed by a dive into the realm of organizational bliss. Then, we tapped into the early bird advantage and savored the power of routine. We ventured into the world of efficient shopping and found ways to simplify cleaning. We also discovered an intriguing homework hack and learned the importance of quality time. These are just a few tools in our Supermom arsenal. I encourage you to try these hacks and see how they can transform your everyday life. And if you have your own Supermom hacks, don't hesitate to share them. After all, we're all learning and growing together. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're all in this together. So let's learn from each other and become the best moms we can be. Don't forget to share your own hacks below and hit like, share, and subscribe for more mom magic. Until next time.